Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on my videos and watching my videos. Please like, subscribe the channel. Today I have chosen a scenario that how to settle multiple internal orders or multiple WBS settlement. So to settle the internal order, multiple internal order at a time, T code is KO8G, and to settle multiple WBS, T code is CJ8G. I hope you know the basic process what I am talking about settlement. So here I am taking the scenario for internal order. For internal order, I am going to create two internal order. Internal order 1 that I am going to settle to the AOC asset under construction asset, settle to, and another internal order I am going to create another internal order to settle to cost center. So both I am not going to settle one by one. If you want to settle one by one internal order, then T code is KO88. But if you want to settle multiple internal at a time, then you have to use the T code called KO8G. Similarly for WBS, I am going to create two WBS 1 and WBS 2, and both I am going to settle to two different AOC asset. Settle AOC 1 and AOC 2. So this is the scenario I am going to test today. And if I want to settle one by one WBS, then T code is CJ88. But if you want to settle multiple internal WBS at a time, T code is CJ8G. So let us create first two internal order. I hope you know. My basic assumption is that you already know all the process, internal order creation and all those things. So login, go and create internal order, give your controlling area, give your order type, and like internal order 1, okay, settlement from KO8G. This is 1, release it and create the settlement rule also. So first internal order I am going to let me create one asset number, AOC asset number AS01 IO AOC from KO8G. Okay, so this is the asset I am creating. Save it. Give this asset here. Asset number 2. So this asset means whatever internal order I am going to create, that will be settled to this asset. Okay, you can check it. So this internal order I am planning to settle to asset number this one. So note it down here. First internal order you are settling to first internal order you are settling to asset number this. You create another internal order, and come here, release it. Second internal order I want to settle to cost center. So this is my cost center. I am settling to this internal order to cost center. So this is the cost center. Copy, and this is the order. So here this is the cost center and this is the order. Okay. Now if you want to settle this internal order to this UAC one by one, if you want to settle, you can go to KO88. But I don't want to settle one by one. I want to settle many internal order at a time. Then I have to use T code called KO8G. So go to KO8G T code. Prior to that, you can see the internal order report. T code is KOB1. You can give this order and you can see the value. Okay. Prior to seeing the this one, we have to book some expenses in this internal order related to this. So let us first book the expenses. So B50 2023. Let me see if I have already posted anything. No. Let me post manually. Give here some expenses, GL. So I have created one AUC expenses. Give here debit 1000. Give the internal order 49, cost internal order, testing. Again book in same GL, second internal order, testing. Then cash account 2000 rupees. Okay, post it. After posting, you can see the internal order report, KOB1 T code. Okay, here 50. Give both the internal order, execute it. Okay, so you have booked this. This is in group currency. You can put object currency, value, run it. So 1000 and 1000, 1000 you have posted in this internal. Okay, in this internal order 49 and 50. So both is coming here. After settlement, this will become 0 here value. The value from internal order will be moved to AUC and cost center. That you know it very well. Now go to KO8G. This is what I am trying to teach you. Today's testing it with this one only. So when you go to KO88, you can see, check the difference between KO88 and KO8G. So in KO88 you have only one option, only one, you can enter only one internal order. But if you go to KO8G, then this two additional screen is coming. So what is this? First select this one, by default it will come. If it is not coming, two option is there. So select first one, give some variant name, ABCD, anything you can give. Let's give ABCD, let's say multiple settlement, let's see IO settlement, internal order settlement. So something some variant name you give, then create it. Okay, again it will come here, create it. Then you have to enter those internal order here. If from and to, if you want to enter it. If you want to give specific to internal order, that also you can give here. So come here, select this one, enter it here. So you want this to internal order get settled. If you want to restrict this to internal order should belong to the controlling area company code, all this parameter if you want to enter it. There are so many things given here. Then come back, save it, give this variant name IO settlement, save it, then come back. So now in this variant you have given two internal order. If you want to change later on, if you want to give, then you can give here multiple, give here some period. This is the period, this is the change button. If you want to add or subtract something, then you can still do it. Then come back, then give the period, give all this select. First, if you have so many internal order, and if you think that it will take more time, then run in background, otherwise run in foreground. So first test run it, check it whether it is working or not. So see, settlement executed to first internal order getting settled to asset, second internal order getting settled to cost center. Cost center is testing, is the cost center. So you can see first is getting settled to 402, second is getting settled to testing 402. You can see sender and you can see the receiver. So this is how you can settle multiple internal order at a time. This is highly used in the real time. You can remove the test run, you can run it. Okay, now value must have been 0 here after the settlement. From the internal order value would go to AUCN. So here value become 0 now. So this is how you have to settle multiple internal order at a time. Now let us see how to settle. Similar way you have to do the settlement for WBS also. So let me create two WBS. To create WBS T code is CJ20N. Create it. First you have to create project. (789). This is my WBS name. Project. Select your project profile and first project, and so here check all other field, save it. Once WBS is created, project is created, create a WBS. Right click, create WBS. Okay, WBS1, WBS1. Check if you can select the subject class as investment. All other field looks good. WBS1, this is also created. Double click. Once it comes here, create WBS2. WBS2. Okay. So other thing looks good. Okay. Save it. After saving, you have to release the WBS and project. Click on this. Go to here. Status. Release them. Okay, it got released. WBS got released. AUC asset will be must have been created. Okay. Now let's see when WBS created, AUC asset also gets created. Let's see for WBS1 what asset AUC number got generated. Come here, WBS investment asset under construction. So this WBS. Okay. So once you come here, give here asset 1. Come back here. After once you save, it will be created. So come here, And again for this also change the description WBS. Come back, you can see now WBS must have been created. Come here, after saving, come to WBS1, go here, check it whether AUC asset got created or not. You can see this is the AUC got created. So AUC number is this, or WBS this. Select this one, click here, check another WBS and go to here, click here. This is the another asset and this is the another WBS. Okay, now let us book the expenses in the WBS, then we'll do the settlement. Post with reference. Okay, no problem, we'll post manually. Select here, come to this one, yes, 1000 rupees. Come here, enter the WBS. Here WBS enter. First one, yes, 2000 rupees. WBS 2. Okay, we have to assign the profit center in the WBS. That is what it is asking. We'll assign it 3000 rupees. Okay, now let us go to WBS once. Let us try to assign profit center. Profit center here, WBS 1 and profit center WBS 2. Okay, save it. Now come back to here, posting, hit enter. Still asking WBS, so let us come back from the screen and let us do posting again. FP50, come here, yes, 1000 rupees. Come back, yes, 2000 rupees. Bank GL, yes, 3000 rupees. Hit enter. Mandatory. Let us go to WBS, enter 1, enter 2. Okay, posted it. If you want to see the report, whatever you posted, T code is CJI3. You select standard this one, hit enter. You can run at project level, so both WBS will give, either you can enter WBS also. So whatever you have posted, it will come here. So 1000 and 2000 is coming. After settlement, this value will become 0. So to settle, I have to put CJ8G. I have to create the variant here also. So WBS multiple settlements, some name you give, create it, and you can give project also, you can give WBS also, however you feel comfortable. I am giving WBS this, and WBS this. Come back, save it, give here WBS description, save it, come back, and now it is created. So same created, change and display. Now you can run in test run. First you run and check it. check, there is no error, to get settled. You can check. So this WBS is getting settled to this asset, this WBS is getting settled to this asset. Come back, remove the test run, settle it. After settling, accounting intent all gets generated. Now come back here, refresh it, this value will become 0. Okay, now its value becomes 0 and value move to AUC asset AW01M. You can check it, and you see value from there it came to here. So this is how you have to settle multiple WBS and multiple internal order. Either it is normal internal order or investment internal order, or it is work order. Any kind of order you have to settle, you can settle multiple at a time. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you are really interested for real time S4 training, please contact to me. Thanks a lot.